See am oh, he dey draw oh, he no dey wash oh, he dey draw oh, he get here. This is a boyfriend jeans where you go use wear anything where you want. Look like this. You're ready to go. My husband carry me dey go. Baba carry me dey go. My husband's house. I'm in my husband's house. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is OGOM'S series here again, a Nigerian-based YouTuber in Abuja. So today we'll be doing some unboxing. And this gift came from a subscriber. I no longer call her my subscriber. She's now family, okay? This is one of my birthday gifts, and we are here to unbox it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and if this is a video that you would love to watch, you love unboxing videos, please stick and keep watching. We'll be right back. This came in, I don't know, this night post. Please, if you're looking for a night post to use in Abuja, I think you should try the night post at Duse. That's the one at Public Institute, please, because if your phone number is there, they will definitely call you to come and take your items. These items were delivered to my estate, so I will recommend them, okay? I will recommend them. So these items came to me and I haven't opened them, and I want to do that with you guys. So let's do this. Let us do this, okay? Oh, first of all, guys, please, I want you to please, as you guys know how we do it, say plenty prayers for her in the comment section. It's not easy for someone to go online, shop for you, pay for the shipping fee and send items to you. It's not easy. Life in abroad is not easy, and I really take it as in, it's always close to my heart whenever people send things to me, because you guys basically pay tax for every damn thing that you use in that country, and you still deem it fit to gift us, your subscribers or Nigerian YouTubers. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the Obodoibo YouTubers, subscribers that gift us. Thank you so much. And to you, I love you so much. I know you will definitely watch this video. I love you, okay? You have a place in my Mpurobi. Not a place, you have my whole Mpurobi. My husband can wait small. So you have my whole Mpurobi like this. Take it all. I give it to you. Well, Mpurobi. Hey, carry me they go. Jehovah carry me where carry me they go. Obodoibo subscribers they carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. Carry. Let's get right into the unboxing. So, she did varieties for me. She did varieties also for my kids. So first of all, this is what we have here. This is for Lotana. Okay. This is for Lotana again. This is another one. Okay. I think this is mine for Loteto. And this is another one. I think these are for me now. And this is another one. So this is a stretch vest, and it's from Primark. All right. So another thing that is inside is this. This, I will just have to bring everything out and show you guys. This, okay. This one and this one. Let me know if $100 will fall off. So these are all the items that I have inside. So these are all the items. I'm going to be wearing these items one after the other, and I will show you guys, okay? So first of all, this is a hey, you see this my friend, this my friend doesn't joke with me. She doesn't joke with me. Like, she gives me things that if I wear for my husband, Indomie, one day is pick pin that they will be giving me. Have you tried this tie that they call pick pin? Try it and you will see. Now me, they confirm I'm to you. Now look at this dress. Hey, akunerere. Now look at this. Look at this dress now. Look at green dress. I will look for a matching shoe. Don't worry, I will match it for you guys. Look at this dress. Green dress. Hey, and it has shine on it. And this is a trouser. Hold on. Okay, it's still recording. Now this is a jeans trouser. Blue. This one is from Boohoo. Look at it. It's from Boohoo. Hey. Like this one now. If it's in the Afia now, bend and select. All these people where they sell inside market. See am he dey draw he know they wash he dey draw he gets here. This is a boyfriend jeans where you go use to wear anything where you want. Look, I'm here look, I'm here grab your market, you go fit anything where you want wear am wear you feel wear am with your sneakers, you feel wear am with your high heels, you feel wear am with your sandals, you feel wear am with your slippers. You go fit anything. Look, I'm here grab am now. That is for this one. Now these ones are for, okay, these ones are for me too. Yeah, look at this. This is my subscriber, so she puts this oh, my sister, you have seen me tying my hair with rubber band. I think that's why you sent these things for me. Is it for tying hair? Look at these things. People, because you people should tell me what is used for. Shebi is rubber band for tying hair. I will stop using rubber band from fish to tie hair. So this is an earring. I'm going to wear it and show you guys. Negodanya, so sleek, like this. You are good to go. Oh my God, I love it. Thank you so much, darling. Thank you so much. Thank you. And the next one will be, hey, she bought bag for me. She be this bag. Hey, Akuderere. I'm about to take over. I'm very expensive. I'm about to take over. Look at this bag. Take it.
Hey, don't worry. I'm about to take over. I'm quite expensive. I'm not for everybody, which is number two.
Good look. This is a yellow bag, misguided. Okay, it has two hands, so this one is one strap, and this one is the main hand. So you can choose to wear it like this, or you choose to remove the strap. I just want to show you how it's being done in case you get this kind of bag and you don't know how to use it. Okay, so you can carry it like this, or you use the strap to carry it. Hey, I must see $100. Make it be say Oyibo do mistake, put $100. So this is a bag. Complete outfit. Okay, this is a complete outfit. Yeah. And let's open up this one. So this is hey guys, me, I don't understand this one, no, but we'll figure it out. But I know this is a gown. It's a bodycon gown. They wrote it here. So this is a bodycon midi dress. Avoid missing it or exposing me to light colored garments. This is what they wrote here during wash. I think you shouldn't wash it with other colored clothes. That is what they mean. So this is a bodycon dress. Now you can use a blazer jacket to wear this. I think that is what this outfit is all about. And here is a cotton wool. She also wants me to be looking good. Skincare routine activated. And then I think this singlet is for me. This singlet is for me. And then Eto should wear this now, but this is a large. I think this is for me too. And then this is for my kids. Okay, now let's rock them. Let us rock them.